Bri. Oh, can I follow you? Awa, miss. Awa, sorry. Followed me ba? Sebor. Eduardo, send me your WhatsApp is Eduardo. Yasin, how are you, Yasin? Hi, Yasin, kamusta? Thank you. Na-message na kita, Bri. Guys, send me your WhatsApp in the inbox. Bryant. How are you, Bryant? Send me, guys. Message me here. Eduardo, send me your number. Hi, AJ. How are you, AJ? Eduardo, I only understand English. Yasin followed me. AJ, what are you doing? Bri, na-message na kita. Hi, Goku. Wait, Eduardo. Scout, send mo na yung sayo. Yasin, followed me. Thank you, Eduardo. AJ, what you doing? Thank you. Guys, this one, you top. Eduardo, I messaged you already. Hamad, hello. Hi, James. Naldo. Bri, did you see? Scout, number dapat. Ano yan? Tele ba yan? Number. Hindi ko kasi ma-search pag ano. Mints, hello. How are you, Mint? Hi, Mint. Mickey, hi. How are you, Mickey D? Hi, Mint. Wait, Scout. What will you do? And what will you say? Mint, followed me, Mint. Hi, Mint. Shapa, hello. I am done. I forgot, Mint. Followed me. Is it okay? I forgot it. Do you have WhatsApp, Mint? Scout, na-message na kita, Scout. Thank you, Eduardo. Mint, thank you. You send me your WhatsApp, Mint. Eduardo, you tap this what if? PJ, hello. Dakota, how are you, Dakota? Mint, send me your WhatsApp. Do you have? Send me in the inbox, Mint. Hi, Dakota. Okay. Hi, from South Korea. Dakota, where are you from? Good afternoon. Followed me, guys. Guys, followed me. USA. Can you follow me, Dakota? Is it okay? Followed me back. Sebor. What will you do? Send me your WhatsApp. Joros. Hi, Joros. How are you, Joros? Good afternoon. Yes, unicorn. This one. Then you will get the surprise from me. Joros, what are you doing? Good morning. Dakota, send me now. Your WhatsApp. Tracker. Joros, followed me ba? Good morning. Han, hello. Video. Dracula, hello. Guys, you tap this what if. The 1K unicorn. Dakota, send me your number. Guys, if you want to message me, send me your number. Wait. Leo, Han.